So, hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 6th of August till the 1st of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Leo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Two of Wands, waiting and waiting and waiting. Somebody is in this energy of waiting for the pain to dissolve, for the regret or guilt to dissolve, for something to happen here. Let me clarify the Two of Wands. We have the Knight of Cups, the Seven of Wands, and the Chariot. Someone is feeling blocked in the situation, so they are feeling like there's nothing left in the situation apart from moving on from the situation as of now, but they are in this energy of waiting for the right time when they will be able to come back around or connect with you or reconnect with you in the same way as they were connected to you at some point of time. This person feels like it's all a matter of timing, it's all the matter of you healing yourself, and it's all the matter of you uh putting your guards down so that they can come back around and reconnect with you again. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Three of Cups. I think you feel like enjoying your life to the fullest. I think you are connecting with other people, other energies, other kind of connections, friendships, and all kind of positive vibes, positive energies as much as you from your side, as much as you can from your side, so that you can be happy. Right now you are in this happy go lucky mood. Okay, connecting or reconnecting with friends and people and situations that's making you happy. See, you are in this energy of completion of a cycle, putting an end to a cycle that was stressing the hell out of you, and keeping yourself happy and busy with people and situations and things and everything that's making you feel happy from inside, making you feel like a family. Okay, like this energy of, yeah, we are together, we are family, we are going to be with you for the rest of your life kind of a deal. People, situation, things that's making you happy from inside, this that's giving you this happiness, this fulfillment from inside. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? Tower. Their intention is to have a breakthrough in the situation. Their intention is to do something about it. There's nothing left in the situation anymore, but this person is so stuck on you, they want you back. And I don't see any bad intention, but they want you back. Like, okay, I want Leo back in my life because it used to be very beautiful, because Leo was a pure soul or pure person. So they're having major realizations here. Let me see. Yes, this person wants to bring the passion, the love, the energy of happiness back in the situation as it used to be at some point of time. They just need a breakthrough in the situation, and they want to bring back all the love, all the passion, all the happiness in the situation as it used to be at some point of time. They want it back as it used to be. They want it back, and they're realizing it big time now that they messed it up, they fucked it up. Now they want it now they want it all back with you as it used to be, because it was the most wonderful thing that happened to them. Leo was the most wonderful person they ever met. Okay, so they are patient, they want to patiently wait for the time, and they will be able to bring this back, bring the situation back to as it used to be. Happy, passionate, loving, caring, nurturing. Wow, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? We have the Knight of Cups. All you want is love. All you want, I think you want the apology from this person's side so that you can forgive them and move ahead. I don't think you want this person to be back in your life as a lover, but you want some kind of connection with them. You want to keep some kind of connection with them in some way, shape, or form. Maybe for the sake of old times, or maybe for the sake of friendship, or what, I don't know. But you want to keep in touch. Mhm. And you want some genuine apologies, genuine communication with this person. Let me see. Yeah. See, you're being a little selfish here, Leo, because you know that somebody wants you, somebody wants to be with you. I think you want to have fun with them. You want to have this energy of, okay, let's celebrate, let's go out, let's go on a movie, or let's go hiking, let's do this, Lord, let's do that. But in the background you have this energy of wanting something stable, wanting something long term, wanting something committed, and you know it's not going to happen with this person. So you want to keep this person around you as a friend maybe, or as a companion maybe, but or just for fun kind of energy as of now. But you know that this person and you don't have match on that level, so you want to keep them at a distance, but you want to keep them with you. You want to be in a relationship or be in a committed kind of situation with somebody who can give you something that you really really want, and you want stability, long term partnership, and or something grounded on the table. Okay, so you are in this energy of, I'm not passionate about this person anymore, I don't love them anymore, but I can keep this person around me, maybe as a friend or as a companion, to have like sometimes to hang out with, sometimes to have fun with, or something like that. Healthy fun and flirting kind of energy from your side. Okay, this is being a little selfish here, because if you know that somebody is so much into you, you should not be playing with anybody's energy like that. But I think you're going to make it very very clear to them that you don't want them in that manner, but you are keen to keep them in your life in some way, shape, or form. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation between you and this particular person or energy by the 1st of September. What can come, what can happen? We have the Nine of Wands. I do see your guards are up. You're going to feel like a wounded warrior again. I think you're going to give this situation a chance, give this person a chance to be a friend again, or to be in your life again. And I think it's going to backfire in some way, shape, or form, and it is going to straight away send you to this energy of, okay, let's put my guards up again. Yep, there will be no more confusion. There will be no more this energy of giving this person another chance, another shot. Emperor in reverse or emperor in upright position doesn't make much difference. You are going to be okay, you are going to make sure that you are going to give them the energy, give them this clear cut communication that you don't want to be with them anymore. There is no confusion in that. You don't want to be in a relationship with them anymore. You are going to be in this firm energy. You are going to very firmly, very calmly tell them that there's no more confusion. There's nothing that you want from them as a lover, as a or in the form of a relationship or something. So your guards are going to be up again, because might be this person is going to take your friendship or your generosity as this energy of, as this signal, or as this green flag, green signal that, okay, we are good to go, we can be in a relationship again, or something like that. But I do see you making sure that this person knows that you're not interested in them anymore in that way, or shape or form. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, Leo. So somebody is going to take a friendship kind of offer, or friend, or of generosity, or a general kind of energy as this signal that, okay, the other person is interested in them in them in a romantic way or something. So the other person, other energy is going to make sure that they get the uh, message loud and clear here, that this is not what they're thinking about. The relationship is over, the love is over, the connection is over. All they can give you is a normal friendship kind of energy, and that's it. No, nothing more than that. Take it how it resonates with you. Again, the roles can be reversed also. Let's see what is the guidance for you guys in the situation, Leo. Yeah, you have to work on this energy of trying to continuously lying to yourself that something is going to work out the way you want it to work out, even if you even if it is deceptive, even if you know it's not going to happen like that, even if it is, even if you know it's not going to work out like that. Okay, first of all, you have to start like getting out of this fear, getting out of this energy of constantly being living in some kind of fear that something is not going to work out, or love and relationship is not meant for me, or so. I should be with people who are not good for me, or I should be with people who are even lying to me or cheating on me, but they still want to be with me, so I should give them another shot, another chance, and try to make things work out with them, because maybe this is how love works, or this is how relationship work. No, it's not like that. It's not like that, Leo. Please do not make a cheating or lying or a deceptive kind of energies a normal thing. Don't normalize these things. This is not normal, this is not good, this is not healthy, because you are scared that you might never be able to find a lover or a person or a friend, somebody who can be like in a healthy kind of relationship with you, who can be totally honest with you and totally present with you. It's not like that. It's not like that. Okay, you have to work on this energy of normalizing deception, normalizing lying to yourself, or manipulating your energies, or trying to manipulate or lying to other energy to make things work out that you know is never going to work out. Don't do that. It's very strange, but this is the message what I'm getting here for you guys. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.